Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
月
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
月月月月亮月亮今晚的月亮很圆。今晚的月亮很圆。月饼月饼中秋节吃月饼。中秋节吃月饼。月光月光月光照在我的窗前。月光照在我的窗前。
Let's look at the standard way to write this character. The original meaning of this character is the moon. Ancient Chinese ancestors observed that the moon was mostly in a crescent shape and created the early character for moon by imitating the outline of the crescent moon. After thousands of years, it gradually evolved into its current form. The moon symbolizes gentleness, purity, and eternity, and it is also a classic cultural symbol that frequently appears in Chinese poetry and paintings. Finish this in one single stroke without breaking in the middle. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.